SRM Planetary Mixer Operation. Univex SRM Planetary Mixers feature a two-part swing ring safety guard. The mixer will not operate unless the guard is attached and in the closed position, and the mixer will stop automatically if the guard is opened. To install the safety guard, first insert the pointed lower end of the rod into the lower mounting bracket, then align the groove in the upper end of the rod with the slot in the upper mounting bracket. To close the guard, swing both halves of the guard forward. The mixer can now be operated. To remove the guard, reverse the installation procedure. Use an upward motion to release each half from the machine body. The ingredient chute allows you to add ingredients to the bowl while the mixer is running. To install, slide the bottom of the chute between the safety guard rings and engage the chute on the guard. To install the bowl, place the bowl on the bowl support. Align the indentation on the bowl with the corresponding pin on the mixer housing, and align the holes on either side of the bowl rim with the pins on the bowl support. If your model is equipped with bowl clamps, secure the bowl by turning the bowl clamps. Important: serious injury may result if the bowl clamps are not firmly closed and the bowl is not positioned properly on the bowl support pins. With the bowl in the down position, install the desired agitator by sliding it upward on the beater shaft and engage it by rotating counterclockwise. After adding your ingredients, close the safety guard and raise the bowl. On models equipped with a power bowl lift, press the power bowl lift button to raise the bowl. On models equipped with a manual bowl lift, rotate the bowl lift handle a single 180-degree turn to raise the bowl. Note: the mixer will not operate unless the safety guard is closed and the bowl is in the raised position. Do not operate the mixer without the bowl in place. To operate the mixer, turn the knob to the hold position for continuous operation, or set the timer for timed operation. Push the green start button to start the mixer. The mixer will stop automatically when the timer reaches 0. To stop mixing before the timer reaches 0, press the red stop button and turn the timer to 0. Thanks for watching the Univex SRM Planetary Mixer training video. If you have any further questions, contact Univex at 800-258-6358, sales@univexcorp.com, or visit us on the web at www.univexcorp.com.